Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Sketch as line art. First, always start with a light, clean pencil sketch on smooth paper. This foundational drawing should clearly define your subject's main shapes and important details. Think of it as your blueprint. A good initial sketch, drawn with a light hand, makes the subsequent steps much easier and ensures your final line art is crisp and professional. We'll cover how to prepare this sketch for the best possible digital conversion. Next, it's time to prepare your physical sketch for its transformation. Gently use a kneaded eraser to lift excess graphite, aiming for lines that are barely visible but still clear. This step removes smudges and unnecessary marks. Then, carefully ink over your chosen lines with a consistent, fine-tip black pen, like a micron pen with a 0.1 or 0.2 millimeter tip. This creates strong, defined lines that will be easy to capture digitally. Now, let's bring your artwork into the digital realm. Scan your inked sketch at a minimum resolution of 300 dpi or even 600 dpi for larger pieces to capture every detail. Open the scanned image in your preferred editing software. Use the levels or curves adjustment to increase the contrast significantly. This will make your black lines darker and turn the paper white, effectively eliminating any background texture or faint pencil marks. Finally, it's time to refine your digital line art. Create a new transparent layer above your cleaned-up sketch in your software. Using a digital brush with a consistent size, perhaps 2 to 4 pixels, carefully trace over your lines. Focus on achieving smooth, confident strokes and maintaining an even line weight throughout your drawing. This meticulous tracing ensures your final line art is crisp, clean, and ready for coloring or any further artistic application.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.